Welcome to Sneaky Bonus Part 10. Let's do round 12. We'll change colors one more time and get the next set of fans ready to go. Let's make it. Ciao friends, Beth the Thimblehooks, back with Sneaky Part 10. We're going to do round 12 of this. So I'm going to show you one alternate way to change colors and how to increase one more time, just so you get the idea of the way the pattern is going. So here we go. Here's my sneaky alternate way to change colors. So what we have done right here in this color, in the fuchsia, is the same as the center of this one that is a strawberry. We just completed all of the white, which is the same as this. So we're going to start up with another round of getting our base going for our next 4-round repeat. So here's my alternate way of changing colors. Now remember, we did before, I had you back out of this and finish this loop with the new color. We're going to do it this way in case you prefer the look. I like them both, so I thought I'd show them both. So this is a sneaky alternate. We're going to just start in here when we just did a slip stitch and got all of this together right here. Change colors now. And we're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the sneaky part on this is when you pull this tight, it barely shows at all. Isn't that nice? Barely shows at all. So we're chaining 5 because we're going to start the base just like we did here and just like we did here for our corner. So round 12 is a repeat of round 8. We're just going to show you how to do an additional increase because we did an increase right here. There's a corner, increase, and corner. Now you can see here we're going to have corner, increase, increase, corner. So I'm going to show you how to do this next round. Okay, so here's our chain 5. Just pull this down a little bit so you can see that it pretty much all but disappears. So it's a little alternate from down here. Neither of them are going to show very much, but there's an alternate way, so there's actually some new information. So there's our chain 5. We're going to skip this chain space and single crochet. Now we just made a 5 chain space, so that means we have to do a 3. Skip this chain space here and single crochet. Chain 3 a second time. Skip this chain space, single crochet, and chain 3 a third time. They always come in 3s. Skip this chain space and single crochet. So there's our chain 5 and 3 chain 3 spaces. Get my back on here again. Alright, now we have to jump across from here to here, just like we did here. So we're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like we did before, you want to be symmetrical. So you skip this spot, and this spot. Skip those 3, single crochet. Boom. Now we did an increase. First increase on this side. Chain 3, skip, single crochet, chain 3 a second time, skip, single crochet, chain 3 a third time. Those come in 3s. Skip and single crochet. And now here's our second increase. See, down here we only had 1. Down here we had 0. Right here we have 1. Now we have this one and right here. So we're going to chain 5. And to be symmetrical, skip this spot, and skip this spot, single crochet right here. Right now we chain 3 because we just finished a chain 5 space, so we always chain 3, skip, single crochet, chain 3, skip, single crochet, and chain 3 a third time, skip, and a single crochet. See, we have 2 increases on the side here, and now we're back to the corner. I need to get myself a little bit more yarn here. Make it all the way around. I think I have just enough to make it all the way around. So now that we're back at the corner, see, we just did 3 chain 3 spaces, so after those 3 are done, you always do a chain 5. 3, 4, 5. Skip this space right here, single crochet in here. And since we're at a corner, we need to do that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skip, and single crochet. Now there's our corner. And it follows the other 2. It will always have this going diagonally all the way up. There will always be a corner space. So after that's done, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip, single crochet, chain 3 a second time, skip, single crochet, and chain 3 a third time, skip, and a single crochet. We finished our 3 chain 3 spaces, so that means we need to do another increase. Those always come in 3s, and then it's time for a 5. So chain 5, 3, 4, 5. Jump across. To be symmetrical, we're going to skip this first, second, and third spot right here, and single crochet right there. Just did a 5 chain space, so we're going to do chain 3, skip, single crochet, chain 3 a second time, skip, single crochet, and chain 3 a third time, skip, and single crochet. Alright, every time you finish a set of 3, it's time for a chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're doing another increase right here. So we're going to skip this one, and skip this one to keep it symmetrical. Single crochet into that space right here. Right, now that we finished a 5 chain space, then we do our 3 chain 3 spaces again. 1, 2, 3, skip, single crochet right here. 1, 2, 3 chains the second time, skip, single crochet. 1, 2, 3 for the third time, skip, and a single crochet. Now we've got the 3 chain 3 spaces. We always are going to do a 5th or a 5 chain space. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're at a corner. So that means we're actually going to do 2 of these in a row. So skip, single crochet into that space. Chain 5 again. 4, see, 4 and 5, skip, and single crochet. There's our corner. Following up, corner, corner, and a new corner. Hooray! Corner, corner, corner. Now we finished a chain 5 space, so that means you chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip, single crochet. Chain 3 a second time, skip, and single crochet. And then chain 3 for the third time, because they always come in 3s, skip, and single crochet. We finished that set of 3. Oops, I needed the rest of my yarn. Now that we finished that there's our corner. finish this next set of 3 chain 3 spaces, it's time for a chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Whoops, and 5. Means we're going to jump across here, so we're going to skip one space, skip this little space, and skip this little space, and single crochet right here. Now that's not at a corner, because our corner was back here. So it's not at a corner, so we'll go into our chain 3s. Chain 3, skip, and single crochet. Chain 3 a second time, skip, single crochet, and chain 3 a third time, skip, and a single crochet. We want to jump across, skip, 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 and single crochet in here after our chain 5. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just like we did on all the other increases. You skip, 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 and single crochet. Keep it symmetrical. Now we've just finished a 5 chain, so we do our chain 3s again. 3, skip, single crochet. Chain 3 for the second time, skip, single crochet. Chain 3 for the third time. They always come in 3s. Skip and single crochet. Now we're at a corner again. Corner, corner. So there's our last increase right here. Chain 3, chain 3, chain 3. After your chain 3s, you always chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip and single crochet right here. And since we're at a corner, we need 2. So we have to chain 5 one more time. 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip and single crochet. Corner, corner, corner. Hooray! We finished a chain 5 space, which means we chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Skip, single crochet. Chain 3 a second time. Skip and a single crochet. And chain 3 a third time. Remember, they always come in 3s. Skip, single crochet. Now we're at another increase area, but we're almost done with our sneaky bonus. Gotta get my yarn. Almost done. We're almost back to the beginning already. See how fast that goes. This is round 12, which is the same as round 8. So again, we're going to chain 5 because we just finished our last 3. Chain 3 spaces, so we're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip over this one, skip this one, and skip this one. Single crochet right here. There's our increase. We finished a 5 chain space, so we're going to chain 3. Skip, single crochet. Chain 3 a second time. Skip, single crochet. And chain 3 a third time. Skip and a single crochet. So this is our last increase area. Since we did these 3, those come in 3s, and now we have to chain 5. 3, 4, 5. We're not at the corner yet. This is just an increase space. So we're going to skip this spot, and this spot, and single crochet right here. There's our 5 chain space, so now we chain 3. Skip, single crochet, chain 3 a second time, skip, single crochet, chain 3 a third time. Remember, they always come in 3s. Skip and single crochet. And we're almost back to the beginning. There's the beginning. There's our original 5 chain space. We need another one just like it to complete the corner. So chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skip and single crochet right here in that very last spot. And now I like to make sure that this one is nice and closed up, because see, there's still kind of an open area right here. We want to close this so it looks like it's a complete round. So just slip stitch into the original. And there you go. I'm going to tighten these up just a little bit so you can see our color change there. Barely shows at all. It doesn't really show down here very much either. So either of those, whichever way you like doing it. I just take these and tie them in a knot and weave in those ends from the first time we changed colors. You can do that every time along. I just leave them till the end when I'm working on this, and then I tie them all off and I weave in all of my ends at once so I can make sure that all of my stitches look exactly the way that I want them to look. So there's my sneaky extra bonus part 10 with round 12, which is just a repeat of everything we were doing before. It added in an extra increase. That's all. But there's my sneaky bonus. Change color with an alternate way to change colors, so whichever one you like better. They're both basically the same. You really can't see anything here or here when you change colors anyway, so it doesn't really matter. So thanks for stopping by. Thank you for supporting my small business. Please subscribe to my channel. Turn on notifications so you know what's coming up next, and I'll see you real soon. Thanks. Bye.